Hey, what's up, y'all? It's me, your girl, annoying as DiDi. And today, as you guys can see, we are going to be working out. Work it out, 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 work it out.
Oh yeah, she finna get to it.
This is a weed beat.
Listen, don't hurt nobody now. Don't hurt them. Listen now, you gotta do these things for real. Quit playing and get to work. Oh my gosh, she finally got a yoga mat. Oh my God, girl, you ain't got no balance? Where is your balance? You got a lot of work to do.
This is a weed beat.
Come on, you got this.
This is a Weezy.
Let me give you guys a brief of what I have been eating really well. I did have some cupcakes and cake. I think it was last week, but I don't eat that every day. You know, every once in a while it's fine. Constantly, every day, no, that's not good. I had some candy yesterday. I had some tamarind candy, it's like a Mexican candy. I've had steak. I had some steak and steak. I haven't had steak in so long, but my body needed that. And I think that if you're eating steak moderately, it's beneficial to you. Because after I had that steak, like, a bunch of fat was released from my body. You know what I'm saying? I guess my body needed that. So I had some steak, and it was really, really beneficial to me because I hadn't had steak in forever. I hadn't had any red meat. You know, I try to stay away from red meat, but every once in a while, it's beneficial to you, right? After I had that meat, after I had steak, it was so good. I was in heaven. And then not having it so much, it was more beneficial to me that I lost a couple pounds after having that steak. And I love the fat on the meat. It's so good. So I think that also helped with, you know, losing some weight with that too. Giving my body, you know, beneficial fats. So I know they say that there are certain meats, fatty meats that you should eat, but to me, steak was really good for me. So what else? I've been making my smoothies. I had a green smoothie. No, not really. I had a smoothie yesterday. It wasn't a green smoothie. I thought about making a green smoothie, but then I'm like, I need a little bit more flavor because it was just celery, green apples, and cucumber. So I added frozen blueberries and frozen pineapples with honey to sweeten it, and a slice of a lemon wedge. So all of that was in there, and it was so good. So good. So that was really good. I've been eating rice. I switched my rice from basmati rice to jasmine rice. Normally I've been eating basmati rice, but for some reason jasmine rice has been working better for my body. What else? I'm just loving myself, taking care of myself, being more active, being outside more. It's sunny outside again, and it's not as hot as it's about to become. So I'm really enjoying the outdoors, being outside in the garden, walking. I have been walking. I think I walked like 4 times this week. And I have been working on not eating before I go to bed. So after I have dinner, that's it. Maybe a glass of water or a cup of juice. And I make my own juice. We don't buy juice anymore. I make my own juice. The best juice that we have made is like a berry punch, strawberries, blueberries, blackberries with kiwi, and some pineapple. So good. And some honey. It's the spot. Make sure you put that squeeze of lemon in there too. I haven't gotten any ginger because ginger tends to go bad really fast. So I need to start incorporating that more into my eating routine. I've been sleeping well. Just like overall taking care of myself, and we are seeing the results. And I'm going to be more active, just being more active has been really beneficial. Not only that, I'm getting ready to go ahead and join a gym so that way I can get some weight training in, get some more muscle toning in, and you guys just continue to watch my health transformation journey. And make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and tell a friend. Share, okay? But until next time, baby, it's your girl, annoyingasdidi. Peace, love, and shea butter, baby.